to me. What am I doing wrong? Why must we be left to find everything in the dark? Goddess of inspiration is taunting me, I swear. How am I supposed to immerse myself in a story in a world that I can't comprehend in any way? Now make that make sense.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back.
Who are you to tell our story?
I'm the one who came up with you.
What makes you think you can write as well? I mean, look at you. You can't even write a sentence. It's pathetic.
I'm still brainstorming, okay?
Yeah, and look how that's going. You have
Just
nothing.
Need more time. You know, you could have to be helpful. It's almost as if you don't want to be written. Do you really want to stay like this? A disjointed voice inside my head following me around all day? Yeah, I didn't think so. Why don't you just tell me what you want?
Respect?
Foolish girl. You really trust her? She does not have the time to know either of us, truly.
Do you care to join the conversation? Or are you here just to antagonize me?
Well, it is rather my job.
If you're not going to be helpful, then please leave. We're trying to actually get somewhere.
Progress is all very well, my dear. But what will you say to the ticking clock to convince it to slow its hands?
Is he always like this?
Usually he's worse. Still, the worst part is that he's never wrong. The clock is not slowing.